How to fix ChatGPT not working on your browser. So here is a quick and easy steps to fix it. First of all you have to do is clear cache and cookies on your browser. Let me just simply tap on the new tab option available on your browser. Then tap on the three dot icon at the top right. Then tap on the settings and privacy. Once inside the settings, at the left hand side, tap on the privacy and security button available there. Then tap on the clear browsing data. Once you tap on the clear browsing data, you can also see the time selection option available at the top. If you want to clear the cache and cookies of the last hour, then delete it. But if you want to delete the cache and cookies of the all time, then all you have to do is tap on the delete browsing data again. And this time tap on the all time option available at the top. Then tap on the delete data and confirm it. Now once done so, all you have to do is go back to the ChatGPT section available there in the previous tab. Now you can see there is login or sign up button available. Simply tap on the login and log into your ChatGPT account again. So I'll be navigated to the enter my credentials. I'm continuing with my Google account. And hence that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.